Hey everyone, this will be a pretty quick unboxing here of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is the blue black trail loop. I already started doing this, but I had to redo the video because I kind of messed it up. Anyway, so we have that out there. So this is carbon neutral with the trail loop, which is quite awesome. Alright, of course we get the little pamphlet here for everything. This was my second favorite color. So that looks really nice too. But went with the blue black one. So let's get into the watch itself first. And here is going to be our charger. Put that off to the side. Here's going to be our Apple Watch Ultra 2, which should look just like the Apple Watch Ultra 1. Which is kind of crazy how it does not look really any different from the first generation Apple Watch Ultra. And what's even crazier is it still just says Apple Watch Ultra, not Apple Watch Ultra 2. So I feel like there's going to be a whole lot of scammers taking the first generation and trying to sell them off as the second generation. I'm sure that's going to happen. Probably already is happening. And then we'll get into the band here. Alright, here it is up close and personal with the band. I'm sorry, I know it's still a little bit hard to see. This is called Black Blue, Black and Blue, but the blue is more like really the entire thing is more like a gray. It's like different shades of gray. Again, sorry, I know it's a bit hard to see in this video, but it's like a blue-gray, really is what I would call this. I would not call this black whatsoever. In between the gray, there's black, but anyway, blue black is what this one is called. And here it is on my pretty small wrist. This is a big watch, kind of like my Garmin Epics here. But I love the big watches. They are on my two different wrists. See, they are both big watches. This is a medium, small medium, which I think is perfect. I do a small wrist. I don't know what the actual size of my wrists are, but they are small. Anyway, there we go. Quick unboxing here. This is again the Black Blue, which is again more like gray black, but it looks very nice, I will say. And it is carbon neutral, so that is awesome. Let me know what you guys think. As always, I do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.